Why don't we begin?
We're always looking for proof, certainty. The question is, what on earth would we do if we found it?
Remember this day, boys. Remember this day.
What if I had something else?
Like what?
Something big. Is that legal?
Sometimes you need to bend the rules a little in order to keep your country safe.
Who's that? Dad doesn't like to be cheated.
I thought you really wanted this, but I do.
Take the time to make some sense of what you want to say, and cast your words away upon the waves, and sail them home with acquiesce on a ship of hope today. And as they land upon the shore, tell them not to fear no more. Say it loud and sing it proud today. And then dance if you wanna dance. Please, brother, take a chance. You know they're gonna go which way they wanna go. We know is that we don't know how it's gonna be. Please, brother, let it be. Life, on the other hand, won't make us understand. We're all part of a master plan.
Let me tell you a story.
Wise men say only fools ration on, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin?
Hey.
Can't help falling in love with you. Falling in love with you.
It's not a porno story like these crazy newspapers have tried to make. It's a love story.
Well, that sounds bad when you say it like that. I've been working on a cocktail called Grounds for Divorce. Whoa.
There are some people after me. They might try and hurt you.
Polish and a compass that I hold in my sleeve. Whoa. Down comes in on sticks, but then he kicks like a horse. Whoa.
How's that for a magic trick?
There's a Chinese cigarette case, and the rest you can keep, and the rest you
because I will not be doing it again.